It's like 1:14 in the afternoon. Just showered and shit. I'm about to restore the headlights on Infiniti. And I don't know, we're gonna go have a photo shoot tonight, so can't wait, man.
Okay.
Yeah. Do you guys want to say hi to the vlog?
Hey, you said
I vlog.
I vlog.
Yeah.
I vlog. It is vlog. Yeah.
Hey guys, make sure to.
God
Did
dang,
y'all
you
check
messed
out
it up,
the
man.
Lowercraft trailer?
I'm like recording on the phone right now. My camera's like way over there, like behind the truck. But we in Infiniti now. Just moved the Mustang. We better start doing the headlights on this thing, bro. I got the windows down in this thing because like the AC takes a little bit to get cold. Because I replaced the AC compressor and the serpentine belt, and that shit, it's like brand new, but eventually it'll reach its prime again, hopefully. I don't know. It just takes a little bit to get cold, but nah, let's go move to Finny.
Walking that bitch and I'm throwing the stove. Wet my wrist and damn near broke. Call the plug, need two of them bitch. My lawyer said I burned too many bridges. Ain't enough and nigga ain't this shit. Chillin' my name, rest my bacon. The stimulus came, chillin' boy. Rehabilitation for the jeweler. Uplift twitching, it tastes like Kool-Aid. Tastes like chicken Jisca ball. White boys trying to fuck up cheddar bar. They calling my phone
So
for
yeah, we
nose
got
candy.
the Finny, you know. This I don't know, she's sitting pretty nice right now, bro. I can't lie, like she, for an 18-year-old car, bro, this is like nuts. Like, god damn. Give it till after winter, bro. I know I always say that, but like, I don't always say that, like, I'm gonna slam this shit soon, I'm gonna slam it soon, but like, I don't know, bro. Like, this driveway's chopped as fuck. Like, this shit's uneven as fuck through here. Like, it's ridiculous. Like, that dips like a motherfucker, and then like down there, it's crowned as hell. Nah, I got a photo shoot tonight. The homie, I'm gonna shoot his Z, and then he's gonna look at my wheels. My boss pipes I need to put on. I got my 304s, and then if you know, you know, but these are Grenade GX01s by Dreamcore. I was really lucky to find these on Marketplace. They're like $400. Probably like a good quality set, because these are like nowhere near good quality, bro. Like the good ones are maybe the two white ones down there. But these ones, bro, they've been spray painted, which is fine. Like, I kind of like how they look, honestly. But 3 out of the 4 barrels are cracked. They need welded. The homie's gonna go look and see if he can weld them. Mini bike project. Kind of broken. So yeah, we're gonna get Cerakote. I'm gonna try and use the rest of my armor roll kit. Actually, I'm probably just gonna use the Cerakote kit, real shit, because Cerakote goated as fuck. Bro, what the fuck? What is bro doing? He was just rolling around on the ground and shit. What the fuck?
Little bitch going off the nose candy. Little bitch going off the nose candy. Ain't no cake in this bitch, but I'm Lil Debbie. Strawberry shortcake like Lil Debbie. That bitch tastes like pipe with contact. Chain look like I met Beyonce. Northwest Glock look like Kevin Hart. Mariah Carey 30 break your heart. Fake that nigga try to get me to buy. You fake it in Nick Cannon drum line.
Got the grenades. Chilling in the back seat, bro. It was calm, it's cool. Yeah, bro.
Fuck on my line, I'm throwing up, fucking up my line. Is he trying to hide you? Hide your drugs, then you not my friend. All my good licks, we friends. Rob all his friend. Walking that Trip house, play for the knit. Dirty ass nigga TJ Thompson. Bitch, 9 off, look like a lick. Don't complain, you gon' get what you get. Shoulder gullible, lick on the zip. Chain look like I hang with Lil Flip. Chain look like I rap with Rakim. Glock look like I hang with Tom Cruise. Boom. Get on the floor, move. Boom. Jump so good, light up the room. Newbie trapper, the inline you. Hold up, bitch, I'm about to go Super Saiyan. 12 E pills, I'm Superman. I can press on my hand, hold the fuck up, Slither man activated. Kill out of nowhere, I wish all my ops in the wheelchair. Bitch with a chrome ball break his leg. Back running dead. RSK, RSK, RSK.
On the way to the shoot right now. I'm in the Finny. I'm gonna wash this shit. This CarPlay shit's hella cool, bro. The grenades in the back, bro. Red Bull, you know the vibes. High mile SVQ, boy. Damn.
Get a plug on OT back, same day. Bitch nigga rub his ass on the same day. Oh, K. You like to ride? We the same. I ain't got no friend. I'm straight. I'm Tyson in this prime, eat your brain. I done broke my wrist about 100 times. I can keep calling back about 100 times. Did 100 lines. I don't want your weed. What the fuck is that kind? But I know he lying. Tell his ass turn around, bitch. I'ma ride. I won't tell him down low my soul when I ride. All black like Luke. I'm your fire. Sunday look like Rigo Theater. I asked you to borrow it, nigga. I'm keeping it. Low down and deviant. Stupid ass black like Butthead and Beat. When I up that bitch like Butthead and Beat. And I robbed you. I'm sorry I had to do it. Once you go snitch, I had to shoot. I ain't even gonna lie. I just wanted to do it. I'm the youngest nigga that they call OE. Walk in the precinct, shoot police. Free bam, stack police. Tired of op up, beat out his knee. Don't play with me, Unc. I'll kill your nephew.
So we're gonna call it a night, honestly, guys. I'm not like, I don't have anything else planned for the night. I'm gonna eat dinner and probably edit photos in this video you're watching. So if you guys ended up enjoying the video, I don't know, leave a like if you want. If you subscribe, that'd be pretty sweet. Oh my god.